front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now hit continue, choose skip, tap on accept, and after pressing this red button, choose continue. Then click on while using and allow in all pop-ups. And as you can see, finally recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same red button. To delete it right away, hit discard when it's paused and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and hit place pin on the left. Then type in whatever you want to or not at all and hit OK. To end and save your recording, tap on this check mark on the right. Now you can name it at the top and hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom and those three dots at the top right corner. You can also go back, click on those three dots on your recording here, and operate all of those options, like delete. To create new recording, just tap on the red button at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!